In this video, I will show you how to change your password on Trust Wallet. So from your home screen, you're going to click on the settings icon at the top left. And from here, you're going to scroll down and there you click on security. Verify with your password as I'm doing right now. And I have it logged in with my Face ID. And at the top, you see passcode. And if you want to change your passcode, you're going to toggle your passcode off. So let's go ahead and do that. And for this, we need to enter our passcode. So let's do that. And now we can re-enable it by clicking on this. And now you can create your new passcode. So enter your passcode and be sure to remember it so that you can unlock your wallet and store it somewhere safe. And on Trust Wallet, there is no regular password like you're familiar with. There is just this passcode and you have your recovery phrase. So these are the two main methods to log in and to log out. So store them somewhere safe. And that is it for the video. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.